Good evening, guys. So as you can see, it is dark outside. We are now at nearly midnight. Peggy's just been woken up because border restrictions were lifted not so long back in Riyadh, and we have decided at short notice we are going to book a holiday. So here we are. Here we are. Yeah, come along with us, follow along.
Oh my word, it's so late. We're so tired. Coffee.
Yeah. So yeah, follow us along, guys, and find out where we are later on in this video.
Today we're going to the Maldives.
Hey guys, not sure how well you can hear us with the air, but we have finally arrived in Doha from Riyadh. We've had a little bit of a slower flight than planned, so it's actually got us into Doha about half an hour later than planned, which meant that we had very, very little to stop and wander about with, which was nice. We've just got off one flight and zero stress straight onto the other flight. So we are now on our, I think it's a 737? 777?
We're on a plane.
We're on an aircraft.
And humidity. It's humid here.
It's very humid. Different to Riyadh, probably different to the Maldives. It's going to be even more humid. So yeah, looking forward to the next leg. We'll catch you on the other side. In your lifetime?
Many.
About 20 or 25. Look at that, Peggy, look.
a journey, quite a long one. Being in a mask for 15 hours is intense, but it's good. We're here. We're here. It's very hard. And we never said it,
Let's show them a tour.
Hang on, Peggy, just give us a second.
Sticky hot, like.
Yeah, it's only 28 degrees, I think, but the humidity is an absolute killer compared to Saudi. Saudi's so dry, and we were in 39 degrees when we left.
Bless the guy that has given us the room tour, bless him. Not a bead of sweat on him, and we're just gross, sweating from everywhere. I'm like, where is the air conditioning? Could we put the air conditioning on, please? So hot. Room tour, let's go. Shall I follow you?
Yeah, well, yeah. So I think probably the first thing to know.
Sorry.
Oh, hang on.
Hey.
Peggy, so the first thing that we'll show you is the important thing.
Heck yes.
The videos we've watched, they've never gone into detail on the most important.
Let's do this.
Let's open this little drawer.
So there's a few beers and
there we go. So
let's get in. Let's get in on this.
yep. There you go. Toblerone, creamer, soft drinks for softies for Peggy, and some nice beer. So that's going to come out and just go down my throat.
We're not allowed to drink in Saudi Arabia, so this is fun for us. This is all included, and he said that you get it refilled once automatically, but if you want it refilled another time, you have to do it before 9 PM. So
that's also included. So it is refilled twice
all
a day.
included.
It's just on a phone call if you want it.
And then we have in the drawer some Pringles
and some nuts, some chocolate biscuits, and another pack of chocolate
biscuits. And they also get filled once a day. You've got all of your water and your teas, coffee pods for the coffee machine. Don't know how to work that. We'll come back to that another time.
We'll definitely work that out.
Well, let's go. We're doing the important bits first, Peggy.
Second most important bit.
The wine chiller.
The wine drinkers.
Now we've normally when we watched a video they go, oh, here's the wine chiller, and you go, wait, what's inside?
Ooh. So a bottle of red and a bottle of white, and they're actually good sizes. They're half bottles.
Yeah,
so
they're not quite like a mini bottle.
375 ml.
Oh, that's good.
There we go. So that's just over a decent bottle.
Yeah, and I think when you've got when you've got little ones and you just want to put them to bed and have a drink on the patio and play a game or something, play a game of cards, or it's just nice to know that you can have that option. You don't just have to have beer, you can have wine as well, because we've had friends that have gone to the Maldives and they haven't had that, and it's been a bit of a downfall. It was actually one of the reasons why we picked this one, because we could just chill out.
Yeah.
And I drink wine. When I'm allowed to drink wine, I drink wine.
That's the thing. We're not raging alcoholics. We're just not allowed to drink in the country that we live in.
So it's exciting.
So it's yeah. Just below the wine chiller. There is
turn around again.
a little. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I've just put it out there. So there's a little portable charging torch,
Lampy lamp.
which is brilliant for obviously. It gets dark here, and it is a
perfect time when there's lots of crabs there.
yeah.
Yeah.
So you can go look for some crabs.
So Peggy, why don't you show where you found? Tell everyone where you went in there.
We've not even been in there yet, so it's new for us too.
So in here we have a toilet. It's nicely well decorated.
Oh yeah, that's lovely.
In here is
A bathtub, which is huge.
Oh, the bin's got like a liner on it. That's funky. Okay.
And a very huge bathtub.
I think we could fit all three of us in here. It's like a swimming pool.
And there is a foot mark.
Well, that's for the pubs, isn't it?
It's to tell you what to do.
Down
Really.
here is a towel.
His and hers.
This is a shower.
Peggy, just
You can
hold
see
on.
which one is which, because his has very little on it, and hers has all of the amenities.
Amenity. Oh yes,
This
amenity.
is a shower.
So amenities, you've got your loofah or a dental kit. Let's go forward. I don't know what's inside the dental kit, but there's 3 of them.
Do we have to call it an amenities kit now? Because
No, it literally says dental kit on it. I presume it's going to be toothbrush and toothpaste. Sanitary bag. So you've got vanity kit, shower cap, And sunscreen lotion. Oh, insect repellent lotion. I've already been zapped by a mosquito and we've been here an hour. So, defo needed.
His and hers robes.
Robes, a laundry basket.
There is a laundry service on this island, but we will have to come back to with you as to how much it costs.
Rainfall shower. Probably won't be using the laundry service. There's a washing line. That is definitely worth knowing. Oh, and an outside shower. That's lovely.
And also there's another shower. Let me show you. Another shower in here, which is quite odd. Maybe a ladies and a men's.
Okay.
Now let's show them the back garden.
Hold on, Peggy.
Okay.
You can show them the back garden in 2 seconds because you've been out there. We haven't been out there. In your wardrobe, you got an umbrella, some flip-flops.
Umbrella safe.
Update. The safe holds a laptop. So it holds a full-size laptop in there, which, I don't know, it may find useful, you may not, and it's quite big, so we've brought 2 laptops with us. They'll both fit in. Perfect. Some flip-flops and some, what are they called? What are those things you put on your feet?
Slippers.
Slippers.
Amazing. I can't comment because I forgot what a curtain was called earlier on, so...
I don't wear slippers, so that's why. That was my excuse and I'm sticking to it. These doors I can't get into.
They're
underhooks. Oh, okay, that makes more sense. They're the cushions from the day bed, but that's made up for Peggy. He said there was a hair dryer. That was one thing I needed to know because I didn't want to pack mine.
As did I, because I am so vain.
There's a little tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, I saw that.
That should be fun to learn to do, shouldn't it?
Let's go outside.
Okie dokie.
So there is a
By tic-tac-toe, did you mean noughts and crosses?
Oh, yeah, okay.
And there is a table, some lounge chairs down here. There's some steps with lots of tiles, a tap, which I don't know what's really for in water.
So when you come out of the beach, which is there, you come in and you wash your feet off before you get into the house.
Lots of sand, fully grown trees.
It's nice and private, actually. It feels good.
It does feel private, yeah.
Let's go down here.
So that's the patio area.
Hey, let's show them something cool.
So we only booked this 2 weeks ago and we had to go for what was available because we were looking at a pool villa, but there weren't any available.
Can we show them the
Yeah, go on.
like sea?
Peggy's very excited. I don't know if anyone can tell.
So a big old drop down there.
Oh.
Our own little cove.
Listen to that sound of waves lapping. Oh, look. First.
Sunset?
Nope. Let me zoom into him.
What are you looking at?
Where's my finger? Can't see. Oh, there it is. Right there. There's a little.
Oh, there's a
Is that
heron.
heron.
Yeah, there's a heron down there.
First bit of wildlife.
That's nice and soft, isn't it? It's not as corally as...
That's a coral.
Amazing. Couldn't make it up, could you?
That was perfect timing.
My daughter's going to be a comedian.
Oh.
Do you see the heron, sweetheart?
Huh?
Do you see the heron?
What?
Come look with me.
The sea does look quite rocky inside, so we didn't bring sand shoes, but the water is crystal clear. It's gorgeous. Sky.
No.
And that's a neighbouring island.
Look at those stars in the sunset. It's amazing. Fish. There's tuna and stuff boiling out there. Look. There's all fish being chased, and there's stingray just here. Look, Peggy.
What?
Oh yeah.
Can I pet it?
Absolutely not.
There's the stingrays.